Good morning. We revise Unit 4. Unit 4 is talking about the measurement. The first, the length. The length is measured by units as kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. يبقى ال units of measuring length kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. The first unit, kilometer. Kilometer is units for measuring lengths, long lengths. As what? As distance between two cities. As the length of the roads and the streets. Right? Then the kilometer is the units for measuring the long distance. The long lengths. Okay? 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. The second unit, the meter. Meter is the unit for measuring lengths as what? As rooms, as playground, the heights of towers and buildings. المتر equal 10 decimeters. 1 meter equal 10 decimeters. وال 1 meter equal also 100 centimeters. يبقى ال 1 meter equal 10 decimeters. ال 1 meter equal 100 centimeters. The third unit, decimeter. Decimeter is the unit for measuring lengths like your hand. If you open your hand, the length of your hand is about 1 decimeter. Okay? 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeters. The fourth unit, centimeter. Centimeter is the unit of measuring lengths as pens, keys, your ruler, the bottle, your book, your bag. Okay? A centimeter equal 10 millimeters. The fifth unit, the millimeter. Millimeter is the unit of measuring very small lengths, like small insects. Okay? If I want to arrange the following lengths in descending order: meter, millimeter, kilometer, decimeter, and centimeter. I want to arrange the lengths in a descending order. Which is greatest unit? Right. Kilometer, meter, decimeter, centimeter, and millimeter. Okay? Remark, to convert from great unit into small unit, you have to multiply. To convert from great unit into small unit, you have to multiply. Complete 23 meters equal how many centimeters? To convert from meters into centimeters, from great unit into small unit, you have to multiply. Then 23 meters equal, right, 2300 centimeters. 5 decimeters equal how many centimeters? To convert from decimeter into centimeter, you have to multiply. 1 decimeter equal 10 centimeters. Then 5 decimeter equal, yes, 50 centimeters. 3 kilometer equal how many meters? 1 kilometer equal 1000 meters. Then 3 kilometers equal, right, 3000 meters. 4 kilometers equal how many meters? Equal 4000 meters. 4000 meters equal how many centimeters? To convert from meter into centimeter, you have to multiply by 100. Then 4000 meter equal 400,000 centimeters. To convert from small unit into great unit, you have to divide. 4000 centimeter equal how many meter? To convert from centimeter into meter, you have to divide by what? By 100, right? Then 4000 centimeter equal 40 meters. 2000 meters equal how many kilometers? To convert from meter into kilometer, you have to divide by 1000, right? 700 millimeters equal how many centimeters? To convert from millimeter into centimeter, you have to divide by 10, right? Then 700 millimeters equal 70 centimeters. The perimeter. To find the perimeter of a polygon, find the sum of lengths of its side. The sum of lengths of its side. That is the perimeter, right? The perimeter of this figure equal what? 1 plus 3 plus 2 plus 3, right? Then the perimeter of this figure equal 1 plus 3 plus 3 plus 2 equal 9 centimeters. Then the perimeter of any polygon, the sum of the lengths of its side. The perimeter of square. To find the perimeter of square, find the sum of lengths of its sides, or multiply side length by 4. Then the perimeter of the square equal side by 4. The perimeter of square equal side by 4. The perimeter of the square ABCD equal 3 by 4 equal 12 centimeters. Then the perimeter of the square equal side by 4. The side length of square equal the perimeter divide 4. Then the perimeter equal side by 4. The side equal perimeter divide 4. Okay? Complete. The side length of square whose perimeter is 160 centimeters. I have here the perimeter. I want to find the side. Then the side equal, yes, perimeter divide 4. 160 divide 4 equal 40 centimeters, right? Number 2, the side length in centimeter of square whose perimeter is 4 decimeters. To find the side length, divide perimeter by 4. But the perimeter here by decimeter. I will convert decimeter into centimeter. Then the side length equal 40 divide 4 equal 10. 40 4 by 10. ال 4 by 10 40. This 4 اللي هي ال 4 decimeter by 10 to convert from decimeter into centimeter. طب ليه أنا عملت convert from decimeter into centimeter؟ عشان هو عاوز ال length in centimeter. Right? The perimeter of the rectangle. The perimeter of the rectangle equal length plus width by 2. The length and the width of the rectangle are called dimensions of the rectangle. The rectangle ABCD, the length 2 cm, the width 3 cm. Then the perimeter of rectangle, length plus width by 2. The perimeter of the rectangle, length plus width by 2. Then the perimeter equal 2 plus 3 equal 5. 5 by 2 equal 10. We first add length and the width, then the perimeter of rectangle equal 2 plus 3, 5. 5 by 2 equal 10 centimeters. Complete. If the perimeter of rectangle is 20 centimeters and its width is 4 centimeters, then its length equal what? Then its length, if you want to find the length of the rectangle, then divide perimeter by 2 and subtract the width. Then the length equal perimeter divide 2 minus width. The perimeter equal 20. Then 20 divided 2 equal 10. 10 minus 4 equals 6 centimeter. Then to find the length of the rectangle, divide perimeter by 2 minus width. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle. The perimeter of the equilateral triangle equal side length by 3. Find the perimeter of the equilateral triangle whose side length equals 7 centimeter. Then the perimeter equal side by 3. The perimeter equal side here equal 7. Then the perimeter equal 7 by 3 equal 21 centimeter. The next, find the side length of the equilateral triangle whose perimeter equal 24 centimeter. I have here the perimeter. I want to find the side, then divide the perimeter by 3. If you want to find the perimeter, multiply side by 3. If you want to find the side, divide perimeter by 3. Then the side equal perimeter divide 3 equal 24 divide 3 equal 8 centimeter. The next, the area. What is the area of this figure? I want to calculate how many squares here cover this area. Right, 6 squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then the area of a figure is number of area units it takes to cover this figure. الunits اللي هي covered this figure is called the area of this figure. Then find the area of the figure of this figure. How many triangle here covered this area? Right, 8 triangles. Okay. The measuring units of area. The measuring units of area, we have square kilometer, square meter, square decimeter, square centimeter, square millimeter. Remarks. 1 square kilometer equal how many square meter? 1 square kilometer equal million square meters. Square meter equal how many square decimeter? Square meter equal 100 square decimeter. Square decimeter equal how many square centimeter? 100 square centimeter. Square centimeter equal how many square millimeter? 100 square millimeter. Square meter equal how many square centimeter? Square meter equal 10,000 square centimeter. And again, to convert from great unit into small unit, you have to multiply. To convert from small unit into great unit, you have to divide. Complete. 3 square meter equal how many square decimeters? To convert from square meters into square decimeter, square meters more than square decimeter. Then you have to multiply. 3 square meters equal, yes, 300, 3 by 100. Number 2, half square kilometer equal how many square meter? 1 square kilometer equal million square meter. Then half square kilometer equal, yes, 500,000 square meters. 1 million divide 2. أصل half square kilometer يعني السكوير كيلومتر ده divide 2 يعني المليون divide 2. 2700 square decimeter equal how many square meter? To convert from square decimeter into square meter, from small unit into great unit, you have to divide, right? Number 4, 90,000 square centimeters equal how many square meters? To convert from square centimeters into square meter, you have to divide, right? Divide by 10,000 because the square meter equal 10,000 square centimeters. 6 million square meter equal how many square kilometers? السكوير كيلومتر equal 1 million square meter. 6 million square meter equal how many square kilometers? 6, yes, 6 million divide million. Okay. The area of square. To find the area of square, multiply side length by side length. Then you have here the perimeter of square side by 4. The area of square side length by side length. Find the area of the square whose side length equal 3 cm. Then the area equal side by side equal 3 by 3 equal 9 square centimeter. The area of rectangle. Area of rectangle equal length by width, while the perimeter of rectangle equal length plus width all by 2. Find the area of rectangle whose dimensions are 13 centimeter and 7 centimeter. Dimensions here اللي هم length and width. Then the area of rectangle length by width equal 13 by 7 equal 91 square centimeter. Remark, to find the length of rectangle, divide area by width. Okay, then to find the length of rectangle, divide area by width. To find the width of rectangle, divide area by length. Okay, here find the width of a rectangle whose area is 18 square centimeter and its length is 6 centimeter. The width equal what? Area divide length, right? The width equal area divided length. Then the width equal 18 divided 6 equal 3 centimeters.